This Coldwell Banker Advantage property video is presented by Deb Kawleski. Check out this fully improved lot with 2-bedroom conventional septic installed in 2021. Septic can be converted to 3-bedroom with addition of a drain field arm. New well also installed in 2021. Survey lot markers on corners from recent survey. New driveway. Access to Lake Sherwood. This one won't last long, so check it out today. Ride your ATV right from your lot and enjoy all that Rome has to offer. For more information, review the details below or contact Deb Kawleski at 715-340-0630.